Hey Jada, you're 6.5 months old now. You flip over every now and then. You're still a perfect angel and sleeping 12 hours. You're eating a lot of foods now. You have chicken and sweet potatoes and asparagus, avocado. You've had bananas, pears. You've had prunes. What else have you had? Squash, peas. You've eaten it all. You love food. You're still drinking your milk. Let me see if I can get your face in here. Jada. Jada. Oh, there she is. Say hi, Jada. Say hi. Mommy and Daddy love you very much. And so does everyone else. You're the light of our lives and our little angel girl. All right, Jada, say bye-bye. Bye. I love you. Can you give me a smile? This always gets you to smile. Ready, Jada? What does a bee say? Bzzz. 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 Jada. Bzzz. You're just so into your toys, I can't get you to smile right now. Bzzz. Jada. Jada. Ah. Can you give kisses? Can you give kisses? You do love to play. Alright.
The sun is shining.
We'll let you go and play. Alright, Jada, we love you. Mwah. Bye, princess.